In this section, we'll see how to add a nofollow or no index to a page on a page-by-page basis by editing the head area of the page. Now, there is a plugin that will do this in WordPress. It's called Per Page Add to Head. You will notice, however, that at the time of recording here, it hasn't been updated for 2 years. That said, 20,000 people are using this as an active installation, and it's got excellent results. But it is untested with the latest version, so a big sort of word of caution here. It looks like it's probably going to work fine, but make sure you back up your WordPress installation prior to installing this, just in case. So, you have been warned. So in this case, I brought up WordPress and I've just gone to Plugins, Add New, and I just used the search phrase Add to Head, and the first thing that came up here was this Per Page Add to Head plugin. As I say, it hasn't been updated for a long time, but that said, it's got good reviews and a lot of active installations. So I'll go and install it, and I'll activate it. Now, this is just a test site. Had this been an actual live site, I would have certainly backed up my WordPress installation prior to doing what I just did there. But in this case, even if I lost the site, it wasn't the end of the world. Now, if I go and create a new page, you'll notice that underneath the new page, you've got this Add to Head. So all I have to do is basically just pop something in there. So this was something I already had in memory, I just pasted it down. So in this case, I'm using the meta tag that says no index, no follow, and I'll go and publish this. So this page will now have this information I've just inserted. It'll have this contained within the head area of the web page.